Hello, Jim here from Ozark Valley Displays, and I want to go over how I construct my guitar display cases. But first I'd like to show you how I feel one of the leading manufacturers, the procedure that they use to fix their cases. And the way they do it is, here's two pieces of plywood, and they're assembled with staples. And this assembly method is very quick. It only takes probably a couple of minutes, if that, to put these cases together. And then they cover it with a material, some vinyl or whatever, and then they charge you $400 or $500 for it. My cases, the one I sell the most of is my Sanctuary, and the Sanctuary guitar display case is made with half-lap dovetails. And the way a half-lap works, this is a mechanical joint. It's got to be actually done on a machine. Two pieces of wood go together. The tails here fit into the sockets like so. Forming a mechanical joint. This joint will not come apart. And I use glue inside here to hold this together. But that's how I assemble the Sanctuary guitar display case. Now, what I do next is, on the Sanctuary, it's got trim pieces on it. So what would happen is, on the bottom of the Sanctuary, I'd have a trim piece attached here with a miter cut here and a piece of wood going this way. And then on the top of the Sanctuary case, I create my own crown. So I take two different profiles that I make on a router table, and I put them together to make a crown molding, and I would attach that crown molding to the side of the case. And then, here I'd have a miter going around the front. So that's how I make the Sanctuary case. And that mechanical joint just takes a whole lot longer to build than using staples. Now, for the Alcove display case, I do something a little different. I use mortise and tenons. Right here we have these mortises that are pre-drilled, that I drill, and the mortise accepts a tenon. So this case, the way it's assembled is I have to machine these holes, set this in here. And this piece fits into this piece. Like so. And with the Alcove, I've already done a profile along the edge off my router table. So those are my two main assembly methods that I use for the guitar display cases that I